Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your mobile network settings. So on the top right of your Android phone, let's just go to settings right here and select that. Then scroll on down, and I want to go to where it says General Management. So if you have like a Google Pixel or something like that, instead of going to General Management, I have a Samsung phone over here. I want to go to something called System. So scrolling down to System on this phone. And then you should see the option for reset down here at the bottom. Then we should have the option to reset mobile network settings right on the top. And then just go to reset settings down here on the bottom. And you should be able to reset those settings. So it becomes very easy. And this isn't going to delete any pictures or anything like that. Just go to reset mobile network settings, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.